Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided it would be fun to go ahead and do some storage on Vanity. I'm very excited again with the way it turned out. I can't say it enough. And so then it was all about figuring out where to put stuff and where to hide stuff, because as you know, it is a floating vanity, so there's like no drawers underneath it, there's no nothing. So I had to kind of piece that all together. Even with the DIYs and everything that I did do, I'm still coming in at under $100. And I just loved it because my space is tiny and I really just wanted a way to store my stuff, have it look good, and still be cohesive with my bedroom, which I'm very excited with how it's coming together, and there should be a video on that too. So a couple of things that I did. One, I went to Michael's and got the shelving, the Ashland shelves, which is the IKEA dupe. And I paid $30 for them, so that it was a steal because they're normally I think $80 or $90, and even if you go and get them from IKEA, they are like $80, $79, and I just wasn't about to spend that coin, girl. I just wasn't. I couldn't rationalize it in my brain. I put on makeup maybe twice a week, maybe not even that. So it's like I like the vanity idea because I like vanities, but there's no reason for me to go spend a ton of money on something I'm not really going to buy. So I went to Michael's and got the Ashland shelves. There are 5 of them, which I'm so happy that I finally bought because I've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and every time they go on sale, I'm like always the last one to know, and then when I get there, they're out, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So the last time we went, the manager was like, well, I can give you kind of a coupon for it, you can come back and you can get them, and she gave me this piece of paper, which I didn't think was going to work, but we used it, it worked, and everything went off fine. So that was absolutely a lifesaver because I would have never gotten them had they not been on sale. It was just ridiculous. So in the first drawer, I like to keep my contacts, my eyelashes, lip balms, all of that other stuff. Anything extra that I have goes there, because normally I don't even wear lashes. Mine are just kind of, they do their own thing, so I just put mascara on them and go. And so that is in the second drawer. I meant the first. The second drawer hasn't really been filled out yet, so I'm just kind of waiting to see how I can grow into this space, and I'm kind of glad there are empty shelves so that I'm able to do that. Without those empty shelves, I'd be full to capacity, and I haven't even really started collecting my makeup and everything that I need. Y'all hear my phone? Jeru, I need to put on Do Not Disturb. So I love doing my nails, and I am such a nail person. Typically I paint them, and sometimes they can have 2 or 3 colors on them. So of course I stack up on nail polish and nail polish supplies. So the third drawer has my lamp for curing gel nails. I have a fan to dry my regular nail polish when I put on regular nail polish. There's also my Jamberry kit, which my sister got last year at a Pinners conference. So that's all in my third drawer. The fourth drawer is just really more nail stuff. Because I'm still growing in this space, I really haven't figured out what else I'm going to do. So there's my nail stuff, just a bunch of stuff that I got off of Wish, or that I got off of Amazon that I thought I might use. So now that I kind of have this space, it'd make it easy to do. And then the fourth drawer is of course my nail polish, which I'm very happy about. I've been storing those nail polishes in a bin, and so I'm glad I could finally have a place for them to go. I can look at them and sort through them and everything else like that. So that's really awesome. On the vanity, you'll see all of the stuff that I just need to have close to me so I can reach. Foundations, my eye makeup that goes on, like my eyeliners, eyeliners, brushes, lip balms, and my beauty blender. So those are go on top. I'm also planning to do some kind of shelving on side of the vanity lights so that I can have more space, and it'll look really nice. I have the board actually downstairs. I just haven't cut it up and sewn it all together. So there's that. And then there are the drawers that I got from the Dollar Tree. Most of what you see storage wise is Dollar Tree. So even in my drawers, the shelf lining that I have in my drawers came from the Dollar Tree. I just wanted something to give it a little pop, so I did that, and it kind of goes with the color scheme of my bedroom anyway, so they're all together. The cup that I keep my cotton swabs, my cotton pads in, came from the Dollar Tree as well. And then there are two kind of candy dishes with the lids that I use for my cotton balls and Q-tips, so I keep those there. And then we're all familiar with the lipstick containers, little stands that you can get from Dollar Tree. I have found them more often than not in bigger Dollar Trees over smaller Dollar Trees, and I've also gotten some as gifts from my sister. The nail polish stand that I have came from the Dollar Tree, and initially I thought it was going to fit my lipsticks, but they just seem too big, so I did not use those. And then behind me you'll see more nail polish stuff. So my nail polish, I got those shelvings from City Trends, and then the actual little cabinet thing, which I thought was adorable, I got from a thrift store. It was like $4. So yeah, that is kind of it. I'm super excited. The next thing that I want to do is refinish my chair, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, because I like the distressed look, but I want it to be white, kind of white distressed, and then I really want a purple velvet cushion for my chair. So I'm still working it out, so be looking for a video on that. And the trash can came from IKEA. It's like 97 cents, but you can get it from Dollar Tree for $1. I mean, it's really super easy. I guess that is about it. I did make a little vanity tray, but then it ended up not working out. I made a video on that. It just didn't fit on my vanity space, so that's the reason why it's not here. And then some canvas easels for palettes. I'm like very happy. If I had to grade myself on this project, it would be 110, because I'm dope AF. And yeah, that is kind of it. So that is all. I'm like super done with this whole vanity. I've done my makeup 2 or 3 times already since it's been complete and all the things have been put up. So yeah, I'm like so happy, super happy. And that is all. So I would definitely love for you to like, comment, and subscribe. And here are my videos. You can watch them, and you can start from the top or watch my last video that I just finished about the lights on the vanity. So thank you so much for watching. Again, like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys next week.